firstly, thank you for inviting us. And secondly, I just want to add to what Sheikh Suleiman, his feelings, but my own feelings. When I finally met actual Afghan people who have lived through the war, my feeling was one of sadness, regret, that we as Muslims in the West and as the Ummah of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ could not do enough to support you. So I want to apologize for this. But going forward, inshallah, we can do much more. I want to add in terms of one person I met yesterday at Kapisa, and his name is Ghulam Jan, elderly man, white beard, and he came to our group and he said, all of you are heroes.
Really?
So I was confused because you are the ones who suffered the war, and you are the innocent people who suffered this unjust war. How are we heroes? And then he said that all the foreigners that we have met in the past 20 years have all come to kill us or harm us. You are the first foreign Muslim delegation that have come in peace and to promote peace. That's why you are heroes. So I just wanted to mention what he said. And in terms of my feelings, again, you know, to reiterate what Sheikh said, prior to our visit, our information is from the media. And there is a lot of propaganda in the media. Despite the suffering that Afghanistan has faced in the past 18 months, you have done very, very well. And we want to be on this journey with you in the future, inshallah. We're not going to let go this time.